What is the Community Data Program? I'm glad you asked. The Community Data Program is a network of professionals that share the cost of buying socioeconomic data for small area geographies. The goal is to enable communities across Canada to measure and track local well-being. The program was created in the 1990s to track poverty at the neighborhood level by the Canadian Council on Social Development. The Community Data Program, or the CDP, is now administered by the Canadian Community Economic Development Network, or CEDNet. We order data from Statistics Canada, from the Census and Tax Filer surveys, as well as other private data providers. The cost for one organization to buy a table that covers just their community is not much less than buying the same table for all local geographies across Canada. By pooling the data buying budgets from all of our members, you get access to the data you most want, but also other information you can use to help make your community stronger. Statistics Canada provides some data for free, and it's easily downloaded from their website. You can find information on population by province or even city. But the free data is only a small part of what Statistics Canada can provide. In order to find information for smaller areas, such as population of local neighborhoods, they need to be ordered from Statistics Canada, and there's a cost to cover the staff time for preparing the data. We also order the data for neighborhood boundaries that are created by our members. Often the communities and neighborhoods we recognize in our cities do not match perfectly with how Statistics Canada breaks them down for census collection, so the free data doesn't really tell the story of how our neighborhoods are doing. We also order custom tables where we choose the variables that are cross-tabulated. For example, we order a table that provides data on working poverty that is not available for free. We order data tables on the following topics: housing, health, cultural identity. This includes things like immigration, visible minorities, Aboriginal origin, health, demographics, education, crime, work, finances, and income. So what can you do with the data? Here are a couple of examples. Here's a real example of a CDP member, the City of Calgary, using the data. This helpful infographic summarizes 2016 census findings for the Calgary CMA. It presents data on population, income, diversity, employment, commute, and education. The document is a great resource for Calgary-based groups, educators, and employers. You could create a similar resource to tell the story of your community using the census data. Another member, the Wellington Dufferin Guelph Public Health, uses the data to create report cards on the well-being of children. The data portal is an online reporting tool that allows you to explore and download data categorized into 5 domains: education, health, living environment, safety, and social relationships. Members of the CDP can log into the website and download tables whenever they want. We also offer support to help you find the information you're looking for and training so you can do more with the data tables. We host webinars and other meetings so you can learn from others working with the data. You can become a member of the CDP if you're a Canadian public, nonprofit, or community sector organization. We have members from municipal planning departments, social planning councils, nonprofit research organizations, and many others. If you would like more information, you can visit us at communitydata.ca or sednut-rcdec.ca or email us at information@communitydata.ca.